Yo, it's BBG on 26 is back at it again with another video. Don't mind my hair. Yes, it's tore up. I don't care. It's tore up. Right now, we about to head to get some parts to fix my truck. I've decided to just fix my truck myself. The body portion wise, I found pretty much everything I needed at one location in the same color I needed it, and y'all finna see that later on in the video. But I've decided that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna fix it ourselves and save the money and the time, really. Dang, my lips trap, boy, I don't want to cry, bro. But that's what we're gonna do. I'm driving right now, that's why I'm looking back and forth at the road and the camera. Don't be like me, y'all. Don't be like me. But that's what we're gonna do today. I got my bro James coming with me to help me. Yeah, but we're gonna get all this stuff we need today, bro. And hopefully by the end of this week, I'll at least have my body work done. Because I gotta get my hood painted and stuff like that. Tomorrow, I'm also buying some stocks, because that's for another video. But I'll at least show y'all the stocks, but I'm not gonna show y'all what we're doing with them and what I'm, gonna use them for. But they will be put on the truck. So, yeah. But that's all we got going on today. I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get my bro, and then we start heading towards, we gotta go to Robertsonville, North Carolina. That's where we're going to get the parts and woo to woo. So yeah, BBG out.
Oh, it's too close right here? Oh, there we go. Bro, all it's gonna take me to bust my knuckle one time. Why they put a 10 mil right here? This is why I can't even prepare with everything. I can't prepare. God, this is killing. By the end of this, I'm not gonna
All right, y'all. I ain't filmed too much of us doing it, but we got the fender and hood and some other miscellaneous stuff. I'm gonna just order a brand new bumper, but we on the way home. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. We just got a new bumper as well. It's just dirty, need to be cleaned up and polished, but here we are. I'm gonna pick up the camera later on in the week when we do other stuff. All right, y'all, it's a couple days later from wherever I last filmed. Because I know last time I filmed, I was going to paint and this and blah, blah, blah. But anyways, I wanted to end off the video basically with me installing my new valence, upper valence piece on my new bumper that's inside this garage. And then I'm also going to be sanding down some of the surface rust behind the bumper, and then spraying it clear, and then also removing the old fog lights off. So I'm gonna go in here and then we're gonna get started. All right, so this is the hood. It did get painted, but I made a little small mistake, so it's gonna have to get repainted again. But I'm gonna put it on the truck and then get it repainted, so not gonna worry about that. Go here and show you the fender though. The fender turned out immaculate. This is literally how my truck's paint looks right now. So my boy Brandon, he matched up really well, so I appreciate him. And we're gonna get that fixed. Like I said, the back of this bumper isn't bad. You're not gonna see any of this, but I just know me. So that's why I'm gonna fix the surface rust and all that, get it sanded down, and then we'll take these out because these are poo-poo. We're not using these. I need to clean it because it's really dirty. It's so dirty that it looks like it's in terrible condition, but it's not in terrible condition at all. Actually, all this is just dirt and filth. But once I clean it, it'll look better. I'm actually really excited to be working on this and stuff like that. New valence is in here, and I'm pretty sure our old one, yeah, it's just clips and then they just pop out and stuff like that. So that's gonna be really simple to take out. I got my tweezers and stuff. I'm just gonna clasp, pull, and slide them out like that. But I'm gonna start sanding it first. I'm probably not gonna show me sanding it, but I'm gonna do my best to explain how to take these fog lights off. And yeah, I'll pick y'all up when I get to the next steps. So I got this from O'Reilly's, and it said it was good for removing rust, paints, and scale from metal surfaces, and it recommends for removing the rust using the P150. So I'm gonna start with that and then go from there. I think it's at the very back. All right, so I started, and as you can see, it's already starting to look better. Those little, most of that right there is dirt, so I have like cleared most of it. As you can see, it looks a lot better already. I also took off the valence. I ain't gonna lie, I broke some of them clips. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna put the new ones in here on the new valence that's over there. But shoot, that was a battle. And I found there was like a wasp nest over here, or a colony, I don't even know, but that's about to come out. And then I'm gonna take these out. If you look right here, it's, I believe, 2 10mm bolts just to take these out, and they slide right off. So it's really easy. GM made these trucks very easy to work on. Yeah, I'm gonna spend maybe another 5-10 minutes sanding and clean the back of it, clean the top of it off. And then I'm gonna take out my clear and just spray over top of it. It don't have to be perfect. I just need to get some of the major deep spots, which I did, as you can see, and it's cleaning up real nice right now. So $100, I paid $100 for this. Well worth the $100. So yeah. All right, so this is gonna be the end of rebuild part 1. I got the old valence off. Fog lights are off. Like I said, 2 10mm bolts. New valence over there. Also cleaning up the back a bunch. I'm gonna insert a before clip into now. I'm gonna come back in here probably Sunday or Monday and continue, and probably go ahead and spray the clear on the back of it, clean it up with some soap and water. But yeah, we moving. This week my truck should be back on the road for sure. But this is rebuild part 1. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I am going to insert a clip of how it looked before and after. But other than that, y'all have a blessed day. And BBG on 26 is out.
Hit him up every team launching. Yeah. The way when I'm broke. It's still a Mary for the dinner.